are they doing?
I don't know.
Oh man.
Maybe
They're going crazy. It's like a swarm. They're attacking.
they want to quick.
Quick, somebody get some bread. Uh-oh. I hear poop falling.
Come on, let's go.
We can't, man. You're gonna get hit by poop, man.
No,
I'm
no,
telling
we
you.
go this way. Come here.
I'm scared. Uh-oh, look, you see? They know it. All I hear it's raining poop. Crazy ass birds. Yeah, we got these crazy ass birds and they're pooping everywhere, goddammit. I am in Houston, Texas, watching birds poop on everything. I hope they don't get it on my camera lens.